Small note on group counseling. A group is any aggregate of individuals with some degree of interdependence. Group counseling is for more than two groups. It focuses on growth, development, prevention, and self awareness. There are two types of groups: preventive groups and developmental groups. Preventive groups, they focus on learning, on career exploration, life planning, and uh, how to prevent the problems from occurring in their lives, and if they occur, how to deal with them. So it has specific behavioral goals, whereas developmental goals focus on personal growth of individual members interested in better or relating better to other people, so developing insights into their values, etc. For example, encounter groups are there, tea groups are there, marathon groups are there, and personal growth laboratories are also there. Advantages of working in a group are they're cost efficient, spectator effects will be there by observation, and stimulation value, that is the quantity and quality of ideas is great. Opportunities for feedback from a group is vast. The support that each other provides to one another, safety and the sense of belongingness, and structured practice, adaptability to wide range of behaviors. These are the advantages of working in a group. The factors of group development are: first one is universality. There is a sense of relief with reference to similarity of problems, and this will reduce the anxiety and suffering of the people. Second is self-disclosure. Third is interpersonal skills. Fourth is confrontation. So these four are very important factors for group development. And the stages of group development are five. First is forming, storming, norming, performing, and terminating. What is forming? Forming is nothing but the forming of a group. In the beginning, the group members introduce themselves, tell why they are in the group and what they are expecting from the group. The immediate concerns of the group members usually center on four I's, that is inclusion, identity, influence, and intimacy. Here the group member tries to make the group safe and secure, and here the group leader will be generally be more task oriented. The second stage in the group development is storming. Here all the group members struggle to define themselves and establish norms. Conflicts begins to manifest itself. Here the group leader behavior is he strives to become more relationship oriented. Earlier it was task orientation, now relationship orientation during storming phase. Next is norming phase. So it is characterized by more self-disclosure on part of group members. They become committed in helping themselves and each other. There is an atmosphere of trust, acceptance, cohesiveness, and secrets are revealed, and group members begin to examine their problems more closely and more deeply. So this norming stage is very important. And here the leader encourages confrontation in order to help the group move into the working stage. The fourth and the crucial stage is performing stage or working stage. The group acts as an effective change agent because of the group members' willingness to experiment with new behavior and attitude. They exhibit high levels of self-disclosure, honesty, spontaneity, acceptance, and responsibility. Hostility and resentment, even if they are expressed in a constructive manner. Here the group leader encourages discussion of problems and suggests possible alternatives, and also examines the consequences of those alternatives. Here the group leader supports and encourages experimentation, risk, and change. The fifth stage is adjourning or terminating. This stage is predetermined. The main task of the group as well as individuals are to complete unfinished business, deal with the feeling of loss and separation, and we will make future plans for interpersonal contact. This is about the 4 stages of development of group development. Thank you.